Hi friends. In this video, I will share my review and video tour of a Wi-Fi triple room in First World Hotel, Genting Highlands. Wi-Fi rooms of First World Hotel are in Tower 3, and it is the free Wi-Fi internet in these rooms, which makes them different from the rooms in Towers 1 and 2. You will see all the features and amenities in this room, and what could be better here. Let's begin. This was the Wi-Fi triple room in which I stayed. The room had an extra single bed, in addition to a queen-sized double bed. Though the beds were small and would barely accommodate 3 people. If you have seen their Wi-Fi deluxe room, you would notice that there is a little extra floor space here, compared to the double room, but still, it is a compact setup. The main highlight of this room was the stunning mountain view, which I was lucky to get. It is my feeling that it is easier to get a mountain view triple room than a double room. The open window also keeps the room cooler, which makes it easier to sleep there. The rooms without a view are like this, and feel stuffy and hot. It is worth noting that none of the rooms in First World Hotel have air conditioning. Instead, there is a ceiling fan which may be used if you find it comfortable. Let me now show you the other amenities in this room. There was a flat screen TV in front of the beds, but with just 1 or 2 English channels. Other than that, there was an empty mini fridge, a personal locker, and an electric kettle. They supplied tea, coffee, sugar and creamer sachets every day, but there was no bottled water. The hotel has common water dispensers outside in the corridor on every floor, where free hot and cold drinking water is available 24 hours. Back in the room, there was no cupboard, but instead, an open hanger stand like this. Wi-Fi internet worked well, and some international power sockets made it easier to charge my gadgets. The bathroom had a separate sink, which would be really helpful if 2 or 3 people are staying. The shower stand was separated by a sliding door, which again was better than the other category rooms. Overall, the room had all the basic amenities, but would be better if there was some more floor space to move around for 3 people. Also, it would be difficult to keep and use your bags if you are carrying more than one large-sized bag. It is called a triple, but is still a small room. The check-in time in First World Hotel is after 3 p.m., and the check-out time is before 11 a.m. You have to insert your key card in one of these machines to check out of the hotel. They allow late checkout, up to 1 p.m., subject to availability. Late checkout has to be approved by the front office staff before the regular checkout time. If you wish to see how a Wi-Fi double room is different from the Wi-Fi triple room, you will find the link to my video on Wi-Fi double room in the description below. And for any other information on First World Hotel, please write a comment below. I will respond as soon as possible. Consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos on Malaysia and other countries. Many thanks for watching.